हेलो गाइस, हाउ आर यू। आज हम सेट थ्योरी के बारे में डिस्कस करते हैं। नाउ वी स्टार्ट द सेट थ्योरी। व्हाट इज सेट? सेट इज ए नाउ व्हाट इज सेट? Set is well defined collection of objects. ऑब्जेक्ट मीन्स कुछ भी एलिमेंट हो सकते हैं इसके अंदर। एंड एलिमेंट ऑफ द ऑब्जेक्ट्स या ऑब्जेक्ट्स डज नॉट चेंज पर्सन टू पर्सन। एलिमेंट ऑफ any set does not change person to person. Now we take the example of, we write the name of top 5 actors of Bollywood. We let consider one boy of the class like that Sonu. Take example of Bachchan, Shahrukh Khan, Amir Khan and another example of take Monu like that Amir Khan, Shahrukh Khan and Salman Khan. Now both the example of the boys are different, so the object of the set are change one person to another person. Then this it is not a set. ये एक सेट नहीं है. Now we take another example. We write the odd natural number. Less than 10. Okay. Then natural number is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay. And we take only odd numbers. 1, 3, 5, 7, 9. Okay. Then 1, 3, 5, 7 and 9. This is take by this, and this example take by the Sonu, and also same as we take another boys of example of same 1, 3, 5, 7 and 9. This is example take by the Mono. Now what we see here? Now we see here that both the element of the set are equal, does not change when change the person, the element does not change of the set. Next, now we take another example of the set. Write the vowels of English alphabet. Vowels of English alphabet. Like that. A equal to A, E, I, O U. Then alphabet of the English, vowels are same for all persons. Then this is a set. Next, how to represent set. How to represent set. A equal to 1, 2, 3, 4 and up to. This is the element of the set. Element of set. Okay, और this is denoted by set in capital letter. सेट को कैपिटल लेटर के द्वारा दर्शाया जाता है. और दिस इज 3 डॉट मीन्स इनफाइनाइट. इनफाइनाइट को हम ओनली 3 डॉट से शो करते हैं. ओके, सेट रिप्रेजेंट बाय 2 मेथड्स. Set represent by 2 method. First is set builder form, and second is roster form. Or roster form is also called as tabular form. Yes, now next हम देखते हैं example of set builder form and roster form. We write the example. Natural number less than 10. This is called, or this is represented by in mathematics x such that x belong to n. N here is natural numbers, or x less than equal to 10, and this is set builder form. और इसी सेट बिल्डर फॉर्म को हम रोस्टर फॉर्म में कन्वर्ट करते हैं. देन इट इज रिप्रेजेंट बाय a इक्वल टू 1 curly braces and natural number less than 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay, and we put the comma between the each element of the set to separate it. Okay, this is roster form, or this form is also called as tabular form. Okay, same as we take next example is x such that x is vowels of English alphabet. This is set builder form. And this is we represent in roster form. Then A, E, I, O, U. Okay, this is roster form. In the set, this is element of the set. and write the letter of the set is in small letter. Okay. सेट के लेटर हमेशा स्मॉल लेटर में लिखते हैं. Next we take another example is we write the letter of school word in roster form. Then we write the roster form is A equal to S C H O and L. In roster form we does not repeat the letters, we only write one times only one letters. Okay, किसी भी लेटर को एक बार ही हम लिखते हैं. जैसे यहाँ पे डबल ओ है तो यहाँ पे सिर्फ एक बार इसको राइट करेंगे. Okay. Yes, now we see the concept of the belongs to. Concept of the belongs to. Say A belongs to N, then here is this is Greek letter. Okay, N means natural numbers. And A does not belong to N, then so represent by this form. Next, we write the set of the natural number. Then how to represent the natural number set? A equal to 1, 2, 3 and 4 up to infinite. So we write only 3 dots for infinites. This is a natural number set. The set of the whole numbers. Then we write the A equal to 0, 1, 2, 3 up to infinite. Okay. And next we write the set of the rational numbers. Then how to represent the rational numbers? By R. Next, set of the real numbers. Rational represented by the Q and real number represented by the R. And we also represent the set of the positive real number. Set of the positive real number, then R positive. Okay. Now we see next the example of Now write the example of write a set A equal to 1, 4, 9, 16 and 25 in set builder form. Now we said that this, now show the in builder form. Now we see that then A equal to x such that x is square of x square of natural number less than 6. ओके, दिस इज वन रिप्रेजेंट। और इसको और भी रिप्रेजेंट कर सकते हैं जैसे सेकेंड में से, जैसे एक्स इज स्क्वायर ऑफ नेचुरल नंबर लेस देन या अप टू 5 ओके। एंड इसको एक और फॉर्म में भी रिप्रेजेंट कर सकते हैं। देन x such that x belong to natural number and n is greater than equal to 1 and less than equal to 6. Okay, less than 6 equal to 5. Okay, less than equal to 5. Now we see the another example 4. Write the set 1 by 2, 2 by 3, 3 by 4, 4 by 5,